Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the environment, which device, browser, and app version you have, because mismatch often breaks UI. Next, clear cache and cookies to remove stale scripts. This forces fresh files to load. Once done, restart the browser and test. If the bar still fails, disable extensions or plugins temporarily. Many add-ons inject styles or scripts that block clicks. Make sure to test in incognito to isolate extensions quickly, and note results before moving on. Now dig into developer tools. Open the console and network panels to spot errors, missing files, or resources blocked by CSB. You want to see 200 responses and no uncaught exceptions. Then check CSS rules. Z-index, pointer events, display, and visibility commonly hide or block clickable areas. After that, review JavaScript. Confirm event listeners are attached, not removed, and that single-page router handlers are executing. If you find a failing script, comment it out or rollback that change to confirm the cause. To finish, apply targeted fixes, update or replace the broken script, adjust CSS rules like Z-index or pointer events, or revert the specific code change that introduced the issue. Once applied, test across multiple browsers and devices to ensure the nav works universally, and document what you changed for future reference. If the problem persists, roll back to the last known good build or deploy a safe patch. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, check for race conditions and debounce or delay code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.